Hi guys, my name is John D. Watson and I would like you to come along and take a walk in the web. Today the lesson that we're going to talk about is web development, and I'm going to share some information on the basic stuff you need to acquaint yourself with if you want to jumpstart in this line of development. Okay, so I get emails from friends and colleagues and fans online asking me to do this basic stuff for beginners or people who want to get into web development, and I'm glad to do it. So today I'm going to share information how some of the technologies you need to acquaint yourself with so that you can get in this line of development. So the first technology you need to acquaint yourself with, which you cannot run away from, is HTML, hypertext markup language. This is the markup language for the web, and you cannot run away from it. The next lessons I will share more highlights on these topics, and also CSS. CSS helps you to beautify your HTML tags or the designs. All the beautiful design, the colors and all the stuff you see online, CSS will help you do that. And then JavaScript helps you to add some interactivity to your website or your web app. Okay, to help the user experience of the site, you need to learn JavaScript, and JavaScript is known as the language of the web, and you cannot definitely run away from this. You need to have a look at it. And then the last one I want to add is PHP. PHP will help add some dynamics to your website. For example, if you need to be able to receive some information from the user, or you need to be able to make changes to a particular page from time according to what the user clicks on or whatever, then you need to learn PHP. PHP will help you to connect your website or web app to a database in order to save whatever entries the user does into the database, and also be able to retrieve whatever information the user requires from you from the database. So PHP will basically add some dynamics to your website so that your website wouldn't be just static information you put there and then to be just old. So PHP will help you. Definitely the other technologies that you can also learn to help you connect to the database. But for now, for the basics and the languages which are easier, I think PHP will help you. You can also learn Python, Node.js, and the rest. But for now, I believe that PHP is enough for you. Okay, so is that all? You can also learn some frameworks once you're done with the basics. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, all those steps. You can now learn some frameworks that will help you. The first framework that I love so much, Bootstrap, my man. Yeah, Bootstrap will help you do the job faster. Okay, so you want to code a website faster for a client? Well, you can choose to go for Bootstrap. So Bootstrap, the later version, Bootstrap 4, has so many features that will help you handle a lot of steps that you might not even think of. Might not need to use CSS. So Bootstrap is a good framework to take a look at. And then you need to take a look at Angular. Angular is also a framework based on JavaScript, and the user experience you get by using Angular is awesome. Okay, so Angular applications can be a little more complex and it's more beautiful and more interactive. Okay, and also you can also use PHP Laravel. Laravel also help you do your web apps faster in PHP. And then the last thing I want to talk about is a JavaScript library, jQuery. jQuery is based on JavaScript, and it helps you use less code to do more. Rather than going directly using your JavaScript, jQuery will help you use less code to do more. Okay, so basically these are the technologies I would like to talk to you about today for this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and follow my channel for more lessons. This is just lesson 1. There's going to be a lot of more lessons coming up, so please subscribe and follow this channel, and then you get more lessons subsequently. Thank you.